shorts eh, may hanggang dito. Saka yung may ganun sa likod niya, may parang patin.
Yung pampatambok ng puwet.
Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, again, Miss Sheila Dress.
Mr. Dress?
Miss Sheila Dress.
Yes! Katim namin yan!
Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. You're being changed by your own sorrow.
Kanina ito?
In your eyes, I would hate to say you like this. There's no way you can deny it. I can see that your eyes feel sad, so quiet. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. Your best friend, I'm the man you must rely on. You were always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken feeder. I hope we can patch it up together. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heart comes when we go and the scars are leaving. You'll be dancing once again and the pain will end. We'll have time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Ate, umaano ka ba? You love some love of thunder. All is gone and it seems too hard to handle. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. There's no way you can deny it. I see that you are so sad, so quiet. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heart is cold when we go and the stars are leaving. You'll be dancing once again and the pain will end. We will lose time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita.
That was very beautiful. Grabe. So Filipinos are very talented. Thank you so much for your presence.
Okay, at this moment, at this juncture, we will be having a flash mob, and I would like to invite everyone to please stand. We'll be having a community dance. Okay? Community dance. Tindog po lahat. Anong tindog?
After BT Interlassen Serie Nakris up the signal to. Okay, everybody please stand. Everybody please stand. Ano to? Hindi makaintindi? Everybody
Hindi na
please
makatayo.
stand. We're going to have a flash mob.
Hindi na makatayo.
We would like to request everybody to please stand up.
Ibigay mo.
Ayan, kwet mo.
The one who is going to conduct the flash mob is no other than Miss. So mag-away kayo dyan. Nakatayo na sila lahat, mag-away kayo dyan. Okay na? Happy na?
Kasama natin na sila. Si ano, si...
I would like to request Mary and Pamela. Mary? Mary? Sige na, Day.
Tayo kayo lahat, tayo lahat.
Everybody,
Everybody can dance.
let's all show that our dancers are here. Please, everybody follow them. Huwag niyo nang tularan ang kanilang mga ugali.
Dito na lang kami.
Million ba ang laman yan? Hindi ka magdadali ng million pag nasa park ka.
So, follow sila.
Okay, everybody please come forward. Everybody please stand up. Gaya ng pinatayan niyo yung mga ano ng mga asawa niyo. Ganun. Okay, ready? Everybody please come forward and please, let's all join. To the people at the back, you can also join. To the people at the back or wherever you are, kung saan man kayo, sana happy kayo. Okay? Ready? Say music, ready, go! Please follow the leader. Go, Jai. Ipakita ang mga bilangay. Ang gagaling ng mga Pilipina natin. Happy Fiesta, Amor! Happy Fiesta, everyone! The first time ever Fiesta celebration in Amber. Ang galing! Alam sa kwentuhan! Ang gaganda ng mga bisong na sa